Hello guys, once again welcome back to another Android app development tutorial. In this video here I am going to show you how to implement swipe views using ViewPager. The ViewPager is a widget that contains a number of child views and each child view represents each page. You can use fragments for displaying each of these page. So we can start with a new Android Studio project. Here I name it as swipe view demo. Select an empty activity. So here our project is created in Android Studio. So first here I am going to add a view pager to the activity main.xml. The view pager is not the direct part of Android framework. It is available with the support library. I specify width into match parent, height also match parent. Now specify an ID for this. I name it as pager. Okay. So here I'm going to display each page using a fragment. So I have to create a separate fragment. So create a new fragment. Select blank fragment. I name it as demo fragment. There is no need of these factory methods. Okay, now in order to identify each pages on this layout of fragment, here I am going to add some text view. Here I place a text view into this fragment. This text view is for identifying each page on the view pager. Okay, so now we need a separate adapter for the view pager. So you have two options. You can use FragmentPagerAdapter or FragmentStatePagerAdapter. You can use FragmentPagerAdapter if there is a limited number of pages. That means a small number of pages. And you can use FragmentStatePagerAdapter if the number of pages is indeterminate or there is a large number of pages. So in this example I am going to use FragmentStatePagerAdapter. That means suppose we have a large number of pages to display. So I need a separate class for the adapter. So I am going to create a new Java class. I name it as demo fragment collection adapter. Now this class extends FragmentStatePagerAdapter. So here you need to implement some methods. You need to implement these two methods, get item and get count. Suppose here we have 100 pages to display. So I pass the count as 100. So here we have an error because this need a constructor with a super keyword. Okay. So from this method we have to return each fragment object. So here we have 100 fragment object. So I'm going to create an object of the demo fragment. New demo fragment. Now I'm going to pass some string to this demo fragment. So I need some bundle object. New bundle. So I'm going to update the variable position by position +1. This is because the position variable starts from 0. Okay, so now I'm going to attach some message to the bundle. So bundle dot put string, specify the key as message. Now pass the message hello from page and display the page number. So here we can simply display position. Now we can attach this bundle to the fragment. So demo fragment dot set arguments and pass the bundle. And finally we have to return the fragment object from this method. So here it is, demo fragment. Now go to the fragment. So here we have to display the message on this text view. So create some variables for text view. Here create some variables for view class, and we have to return the view from here. So by using this view class object, we can initialize the text view. So text view equal to view dot find view by id or dot id txt display. Now we can get the message from the fragment. So string message, get arguments, get string, and specify the key. Here the key is message. Now we can display the message using the text view. So text view dot set to text and pass the message. Okay. So now go to main activity, open main activity, create variables for ViewPager, and name it as ViewPager. Now we need a variable for the adapter, demo fragment collection adapter, and name it as adapter. So first we can initialize the ViewPager. So ViewPager equal to find the view by id and dot id, it is pager. Now we can initialize the adapter. So adapter equal to new adapter, and you have to pass the support fragment manager. Finally we can set the adapter on the ViewPager. So set adapter and pass the adapter. That's it. So now we can test the project. So I'm going to run the project. So now here the project available on this virtual device. So here this is the first page. Now here second page, and here we have up to 100 pages. So this is how we implement a swipe view using ViewPager. So the user can directly move it to next and previous page by simply performing a horizontal swipe. I hope you the concept. For getting more Android tutorial updates, please subscribe the channel now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.